Hello everyone, so first we are going to make a kitty, starting by making her ears and a bow at one side of it. We're gonna complete the face by making the eyes and the mustache. After that we're gonna move ahead towards her body, which includes the hands and the legs. Then we're gonna start coloring this drawing by using variety of colors. Here we have used sketch pens, but you can use any color you want. Next we are going to draw some plant by using these oil pastels and some earbuds. Then we're going to draw the stems by using this simple sketch pen and highlighting the drawing even more. Next we are going to make some beans, which is hanging, starting by using a hand for making the structure, and then we're going to make the stem and some leaves also. When they are ready, we are going to detail them even more like this, and then at last we are going to color them by using different colors. You can use any color you want for this. Here we have used green color, and then you can see they look so good and beautiful. Here we are making a scenery, starting by making the house. First we're going to make the structure of the house. Then we are going to draw the windows and the doors. At last we are going to make a chimney. Then we are going to move ahead towards its surrounding, which includes some trees. First we're going to draw the trunks of the trees. Then we're going to draw the leafy part. Here we are using yellow pink color for coloring the trees. And when they are ready, we are going to make a pathway in front of the house and the wooden fencing. Now you can color it as per your preference.